Oh, hi. It's Unbridled Vision here. Everyone calls me Viz. Alright, have a seat.
Hello, my name is Randy, with an I. And together, we are William Saxon U
where we turn scraps
into Scrumptious. Over the past year, we have bred, socialized, and found many adventuring companions for our various one-of-a-kind handcrafted monster bags. If you'd like to know more, please follow us on our socials here. Or go directly to williamsaxonu.com and find your own adventuring companion today.
And in the meantime, don't forget to be safe out there. And if you can't be safe, be smart.